Hello nature lovers, welcome back. So you already saw me repotting this young tree into a container. This is a tree that I purchased yesterday. So you can tell hopefully that this is a citrus tree, and specifically it's a hybrid. It's a Clementine Mandarin or Mandarin Clementine, however you want to call it. So apparently it's a hybrid between a common Mandarin and the bitter orange. Okay, so you can expect fruits to be juicy with quite a lot of flavor from October until up to February. Okay, so since we are December right now, almost mid-December, I don't see any fruits on this tree, but I see a lot of cuttings, and I don't know if they cut the fruits or maybe if they cut the some branches to propagate it. And here you can tell the spot where it was grafted. Right here is the big nut. Okay, now when I purchased this, and believe it or not, I got two of these. One is in my other balcony in a bigger container, and believe it or not, I got both of them for $12 US. Okay, anyway, so I went there to purchase some soil. When I saw this and I checked the label, it was a hybrid Mandarin Clementine. I'm like, I want these trees. So when I asked about the price, $6 each, I didn't think twice. And I also asked the guy how old these trees were, and he said 1 year old. Okay, now probably he meant 1 year old from the moment that these were grafted, because you can see the trunk here, the main trunk is quite thick for a 1 year old tree. And like I said, I don't see any fruits. So we are in December, probably next season, October 2025, maybe I will expect some fruits. But to me, it doesn't matter. I get these trees because these are evergreen trees. Right, so I need green or greenery the whole year long. Okay, indoors, outdoors, it doesn't matter. And if they grow fruits, then it's a win-win for me. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these outside as well in my other balconies, and these trees can endure temperatures up to -5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so they are quite resistant. However, these are in containers, so if it gets colder than that, which I doubt it will in my area, you can always take them inside, right? Just before taking them inside, make sure about some maybe spider mites or I don't know, fungus gnats or whatever. Trust me, you don't want that indoors. Okay, so yeah, I guess this is it for today's video, guys. And if you already have or had a Clementine Mandarin, please let me know in the comments section down below. And it goes without saying that as a citrus tree, they love sun, they love water, etc., etc. That goes without saying. The moment you know that it's a citrus tree, then you know that they love sun and water. But of course, you have to remove the excess water from the bottom of the container, from the plate, right? So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section down below what you think about these kind of trees, if you ever had one, if they bear fruit for you. This is my first time ever having these, so I'm gonna see how they go. Fortunately, in both of my balconies, I have full sun all day long. Yeah, so this is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and also stay natural.